Hello and welcome to the last cask. This is Whisky Review number 1. My name's David Mason and today we're going to be looking at the Lakes Distillery. Yeah, this is the one. It's a Moscatel wine cask finished whiskey. It's part of the core range of 5. It's a blended grain and malt whiskey. Get that right, from Speyside and Islay, and at the heart of this whiskey is the Lakes Distillery own malted whiskey. Anyway, so let's have a look on the box. So the one cask finishes are a showcase of our whiskey makers' maturation expertise. That's Mr. Dhavall Gandhi. Each singular release has been finished in the finest oak cask, demonstrating the influence oak and cask seasoning which has on the whiskey flavour elevation. An uplifting whiskey finished in bespoke Moscatel wine casks. This is a singular blend of select grain and malt Scotch whiskies from Speyside and Islay with the Lake single malt at its heart. As we said, fragrant jasmine and honeyed fruits on the nose leads to a delicate and uplifting palate of citrus with underlying notes of vanilla and manuka honey. Sounds delicious. And a clean, smooth and lingering finish. This is non-chill filtered, non-coloured and bottled at a natural colour. It looks quite nice. Right, okay, so, well, let's just get into it. So, unopened. There we go. Yeah, fruity. Very good. Okay, a little swirl. Colour. Oh, it's got a nice 18 karat gold, I'd say, sort of almost rose gold colour. And yeah, it's quite oily too. Yeah, very slow legs coming down the glass there, which is a nice thing to see. I like that. Let's have a smell. Oh yeah, it's nice, winey, sherry cask. Yeah, I'm getting that jasmine. It's really, really subtle. Some orange. Yeah, I'm surprised. There's some Islay in there, but there's no smoke really, and if it is, it's very, very subtle. That's very good. Very good. That's a nice mid sherry, not a sherry bomb. You know, because Dhavall he likes his sherry cask characteristics, his finishes. But in this case, it's quite a sort of medium mid range, I'd say, in terms of a sherry finish, a wine finish. And this grape is quite a different grape because it's a Moscatel grape. It's been sun dried. Which brings out that raisin intensity of the grape. So yeah, let's see how it goes on the palate. Oh, it's nice, oily, smooth. Citrus, sherry fruits. Yeah, I'm getting the manuka honey. Oh, maybe a little bit of smokiness in the background as well. I'm really enjoying this. Yeah, clean, not peppery, not like a typical sherry cask. It's more cinnamon, but light, smooth, slightly chocolatey, and lingering. Yeah, I'm really impressed. In fact, that's probably my favourite, and I've tried them all, and that has elevated itself in terms of the one range, in my opinion, of course. I think anyone, that's it. You can drink that any day, easily. I would totally recommend it. So, what would I give it? Well, I think that's for me a solid 8.5 out of 10. Good job. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and any questions, any comments, please let me know in the chat, and don't forget, please subscribe and like if you can, and raise a glass to you, say Slanjava.